Hello everyone, welcome to Educational Hub. Presentations are one of the most effective ways to explain ideas and deliver your message clearly. But if they feel dull or too complex, it becomes difficult to keep your audience engaged. To make your slides more interesting, you need to include interactive features that not only grab attention, but also encourage people to actively take part. Instead of just watching, your audience can vote in live polls, answer quizzes, and share their thoughts instantly through word clouds. Tools like Slidea make this entire process simple. You only need to enter your topic, and it will automatically create slides, polls, quizzes, and Q&A sessions within seconds. To begin, search for Slidea AI on Google and open the official website. You can sign up directly from there or use the link provided in the pinned comment. When creating a presentation, you have two options: use ready-made templates or generate one using AI. If you choose the AI option, simply type your topic, select the level, and customize the instructions if needed. You can also pick theme, slide size, and visual style before generating your presentation. Once you click Generate, the platform prepares a draft outline for your slides. You can review it and make any necessary edits using the editing panel. After finalizing everything, select Create Presentation, and the tool will design complete slides based on your inputs. The final presentation includes well-organized content with clear explanations, examples, and relevant questions. You can further improve your slides by adding design elements, symbols, images, or even audio and video files. To use interactive features, present your slides and generate a QR code. Your audience can scan it using their phones and respond to questions in real time. Their answers will appear instantly on your screen, making the session more dynamic and engaging. You can also include different formats like true-false questions and use animations to celebrate participation. You can easily review audience responses in the results section, where you'll find summaries and detailed answers for each question. There is also an annotation tool that allows you to draw, highlight, or write directly on the slides during your presentation. If you already have an existing PowerPoint file, you can import it into Slidea using integrations. This allows you to edit and enhance your presentation or add interactive elements directly inside PowerPoint. Overall, this tool helps turn simple presentations into engaging, interactive experiences. It also offers a free trial, so you can explore its features and see how it works. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.